Hello everyone, welcome back to Programming Keeda. In this previous video, we will learn how to create a database and table. Today, we are going to learn something very important is how to insert a data into a SQL table. Don't worry, I will explain everything in a very simple language, step by step. Let's get started. First of all, what is insert data? First, understand this to what is a insert data. Creating a table is like creating an empty box. Inserting a data means putting a information inside that box. In SQL Server, we use the insert into command to add a data into a table. Assume we have created one database like a student DB. In this table, we have created one table for dbo dot student, and this is a column name, student id, name, age and city. So uh, now our table is empty. Let's insert a data into it. The basic query for this insert data, this is the syntax. We have write a syntax first. Syntax for insert data. So first is insert into table, insert insert into table name, column name, column column 1 name, comma, column name 2, and values values value 1, value 2. This is this is a syntax for insert a data into table. So explaining every important points for line by line. So first is insert into table name. Insert into table name means we are inserting a data into the table. Okay, then second is column, column 1, column 2. This is our the column names where the data will be go, means, and values, values means actually data for inserting the in this table. So we have start the one example for insert data into table. So insert into टेबल नेम क्या है? टेबल नेम स्टूडेंट डीबी, स्टूडेंट डीबी, कॉलम नेम स्टूडेंट आईडी, कॉमा, नेम, कॉमा, एज, कॉमा, सिटी, वैल्यूज, वैल्यूज स्टूडेंट आईडी 1, कॉमा, नेम सौरभ, कॉमा, एज 28, कॉमा, सिटी पुणे. Okay, and this we will use a student DB. So we have insert a data into student DB, student database, and student is a table name. Select this query and execute. Here the data is inserted successfully. So we have checked the data if insert successfully or not. So this SQL query is select data, select star from student table name, student. Select this query and execute. Here our data is inserted successfully. Here this is a basic insert query. We have insert another column for this table. Insert into student, uh, student ID, comma, name, comma, age, comma, city, values, 2, comma, name, name, Rohan, comma, age is 25 and city is Mumbai. We have select its query and execute. The data is inserted successfully. So we have checked the data is inserted successfully or not. So we have used this query, select start from student and select query and execute. The data is inserted successfully. So we have in this video we have checked the basic insert query. So if you found this uh, video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Programming Keeda. In the next video, we will learn how to update and delete a data in SQL Server. Thank you.